we are. Alexander, here, look at this guy. We're cutting down all the stuff to make the nest with the chainsaws. Look at this. Here we go. Good, good. Here we are. Chaz is gathering sticks for the big giant birdhouse. The bird nest we're going to build at the tree house. See, we put the sticks on the top. Put the sticks on the top of the vehicle. That's how we're going to make it, Alexander.